Hi guys, welcome to the Spicy Kitchen, and today I really want to address something that is everybody's asking, and is what is tapas? What is tapas? Let's clear it up. Tapas, it's a small bite of food that usually you will be eating while you're drinking. And what is the name coming from? Historically, a king just decided that people should eat while they were drinking. If you drink, there is a law that you need to eat. And what the restaurant did, or the bar, they bring you your drink with some food on top. And this in Spain, when you do this is a cover called tapa. So that's where the name actually comes from. So every time you go to a bar, there are sometimes you order the tapas, or just simply comes with the drink. Sometimes you pay, sometimes you don't, depending where you are. Tapas and tapa. Tapa is singular, tapas is plural, yet doesn't matter if you order 1 or 1,000, you always gonna call them tapas. That's the way it is. Also here in North America, because it's a small bite, we have translated that into dessert, so tapa style dessert, so you have 1 or 2 bites, or appetizers, or like a buffet style of tapas. In Spain, you go to 5-6 bars all night long, and that's the whole thing, to enjoy, and then you are drinking with your friends and eating these little finger foods. Very traditional from Spain. Yet I have a bunch of friends that they don't like to go for tapas because they overeat and they keep feeling hungry because it seems they have not eaten. A lot of people just have dinner and then go for drink, but that's a preference. If you have any questions about tapas, just let me know. But what I would really like to know, if you can click below, subscribe, and comment what is your story about tapas. If you went to Spain or wherever you go, what tapas they gave you. How you felt it. Did you feel hungry? You needed dinner before go for drinks. So tell me your story. I really would like to know that. And also please let me know what recipes you want me to cook for you. Comment, share, like, subscribe. Hasta la próxima.